In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the human-in-the-loop node in n8n. If you're looking to fuse automated processes with human oversight for refined results, you've clicked on the right video. Let's dive into how this powerful feature can integrate smoothly into your workflow. The journey begins with selecting the perfect trigger to initiate your n8n workflow. You might consider starting with the manual trigger if you're testing out new processes, or the schedule trigger for tasks you want to run at specific times. Should your workflow require inputs from online events, a webhook could be the right choice. And if you're looking to integrate messaging services, you might opt for the chat trigger. For our demonstration, we'll begin with the manual trigger. This provides a straightforward way to kickstart the workflow, especially beneficial during the setup and testing phases. Now envision this as the point of origin for all subsequent operations in n8n. Moving on, it's all about the automation. Here you'll add the node designed to perform your automated tasks. This could be an AI agent, the OpenAI chat model for engaging conversations, or an HTTP request node to interact with APIs. If you aim to manage spreadsheets, the Google Sheets node will be your ally, and for customized scripts or programming tasks, the code node comes in handy. As an example, we start with an AI agent node. This node is pivotal in generating automated outputs, which could be an email draft for marketing, a comprehensive report for stakeholders, a catchy social media post, or even a detailed customer response. And here's where it gets interactive. Recently, n8n introduced the human review step, a robust feature that lets a human review AI-generated content. This step can be interlaced seamlessly into AI tool calls directly from the AI agent node. It's as easy as clicking the tool connector, marked by a plus sign, and enabling the human review option. From there, you can select an approval channel that suits your current workflow. This could be chat, Slack, Telegram, or other supported integrations that your team might be using. The brilliance of this addition is in its ability to halt the workflow when the AI requires any action that mandates human oversight, such as using a protected tool. This pause remains until someone steps in to approve, reject, edit the response, or even request more information before allowing the workflow to proceed. Incorporating a human review not only ensures that the final output aligns closely with your expectations, but also introduces a layer of quality control that purely automated processes might lack. Whether it's approving the content as is, rejecting it to restart the process, or tinkering with the response for that final finesse, having a human in the loop guarantees that the end result is not just the product of sophisticated algorithms, but also carefully considered human judgment. That's a wrap for today. By following these steps, you can leverage the human in the loop feature in n8n, striking the perfect balance between automation and human input for superior workflow management. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.